case you couldn't guess, we're at the beach. Yeah. We're at Calco. And we're just here. That is it basically. I just wanted to do something, so we're at the beach. And I'll let you know what we got. That goes for anything though. Oh, the puppy. I got shook it. If something comes out, I'm gonna get scared. Yeah. Obvious. Oh my god, they're drawing something in the sky. We have just been to the beach, as you can tell. Yeah? Yeah, we were just looking at it. Who knows? We got ourselves some lunch. Daddy, what did you got? Fish and chips. And same with me. I showed you a video then. Yep. And then I got like a slushy smoothie sort of thing. And Daddy just got one then. What's yours is like watermelon? I actually don't know what it is. My one was like a mango passion fruit one. Daddy's was watermelon, like mint, and something else. It was really good. Like, thumbs up, Def's recommend. And now we're walking back. We walked, also I forgot to tell you, but we walked over to Freshwater Beach to get food because there wasn't much at the Curl Beach, and also the water was really rough there. So we walked over and got food, and now we're walking back because I has to go home to go to work. Like just above this area, it's like, it's not soft, but it's not hard. Yeah, it's cool. We are walking back to the car now. We have to go home. It's sad. It's the car. Wait, it really is like a... Can anyone say like car? Oh my god! Well, imagine if that wasn't filming. We're back in the car. We are going home. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can see more videos